actually wanted to share a very important learning with all of you. So if you watch the tutorial on the step number 3 on how to set up a crypto wallet, which I had already put on YouTube, it will say that in the video, of course, for your security later on, to not share the secret recovery phrase with anyone, right? Not even the MetaMask support. I also put it up here in the video. I'm saying like, I'm only sharing this for the purpose of this tutorial. And so what happened afterwards is that I've actually went ahead and sent some Ethereum from the Coinbase app to my MetaMask wallet, because I wanted to set up the tutorial to show you from all the different steps, and then also how to send Ethereum from Coinbase to MetaMask, to then actually later on step number 4, show you how you can use the Ethereum in your MetaMask account to actually purchase your first NFT. And so after I was actually then checking while I wanted to go ahead and use the Ethereum, I found my account empty. And so I wanted to see what actually happened with the account. And so you can simply go on Etherscan, copy paste your public wallet address, and search for your wallet. It will give you all the information since it's all stored on the blockchain. And so you can already see that just a couple hours, I think 1 or 2 hours actually, just between the time when I went ahead, did the recording for tutorial step number 4 on how to send Ethereum from your Coinbase app to your MetaMask wallet. Just a couple hours after that, someone actually did use the seed phrase from the tutorial, and you will recognize it only had 8 views so far on YouTube, but 8 views enough for someone to be, I wouldn't say smart enough to then actually take my seed phrase, go into my MetaMask wallet, and actually just transfer all the money that was in there, the 100 euros or US dollars I wanted to use to actually finish up the tutorial, and actually send this to a completely other wallet, which I don't have any access to. And so I just thought I'd do the quick recording here on this use case to just demonstrate how safely you need to store your secret recovery phrase. Because, I mean, this is okay for me now. Probably a mistake from my side to have already uploaded this video on YouTube before I finished all the videos for this little tutorial on chao-NFT.com. Because with that secret recovery phrase, anyone out there can simply access all the different assets within your MetaMask wallet. And so just a small reminder, keep it safe, don't share it with anyone.